In this video, we are going to see how we can represent a Boolean expressions logic diagram using NAND and NOR gate only. Okay, just mind it very carefully. So our representation is for NOT gate. We know I am writing here again for NOT. We need either one NAND or one NOR. Okay, for AND we need two NAND, as the name are same, 3 NOR. For OR we need name are different, those 3 NOR or 2 NOR, as the NOR and OR name are same. Now let us see. Our first example is, suppose A plus B bar. Okay, at first draw the simple logic diagram, normal, which diagram you have learned so far. AB, so B complement means one NOT operations is there and another A is there, both are passes through OR gate. Okay, it is B complement, it is A, so it is A plus B complement. So here we used OR gate and NOT gate. Now I am going to represent here both using NAND gate and NOR gate. At first I am going to represent NAND gate. Okay, just watch it very carefully. Okay, in NOT gate we get NOT gate like this way using NAND A bar. So this NOT gate should replaced with this one. Very carefully watch it. This one NOT gate. Okay, one single input line. Okay, this will not do. So B complemented means B input should be passes through NOT gate. Instead of this NOT gate we have to use NAND gate. So we can use the single input line should be divided like this way and this NOT. So if it is B, it will be B bar, A bar. So we can replace the NOT gate using this one. Okay, now OR gate. For OR gate and NAND gate are not same, name are not same, so we have to use 3 NAND gate for one OR gate. You can see that if this is OR gate, just follow it, A plus B. Okay, these are input line, and if we replaced it with NAND gate, for this input line for A signal we have to place, we know 3 NAND gates are required. For one input line we have to place one NOT gate, for another input line we have to place another NOT gate, and these two outputs should be passes through another NOT gate. So this OR gate should be replaced like this way. This is AB, this is A plus B. Okay, for both individual input line there must be one NOT gate. So here the individual input line is, one is B complement and another is A. So two input line. So B complement there should be one NOT gate. For A another input line, here also another NOT gate. A, here AB, here A B bar, and these two must be passes through another NOT gate. This will be A plus B, here it is A plus B, here it is A plus B bar. Clear? So we know for one NOT gate, one NAND gate, for one OR gate, 3 NAND gates. So total 4 gates are there. Clear? Now we are representing this diagram using NOR gate. Just you have to follow the input lines. Which input line goes in the AND or NOR gate? For NOR gate, A, B. For NOT gate, we have to use one NOR gate. We know that NOR gate must be used like this. A, B, B bar. Okay. Now we know that for OR gate operations, when we use NOR gate, we need two NOR gate. Okay. Now we have to see how the NOR gates is replaced. So this input line must be passes through one NOR gate AB. These are input line AB, and again this single line is divided into another NOR gate. Then we get A plus B. Okay, I have shown it in my previous video, so I am not going to explain how this comes. So here our one gate is replaced. So NOT gate is replaced. Now we are going to replace A plus B bar. So our input line must be B bar and A. So already B bar is there and we have to take A there. We have to pass these two lines into one NOT gate. Because for input line, input of OR gate must be passed through the input of NOR gate, and this gate must pass into another OR gate. Then we get A plus B bar. Okay. When we are using NAND gate, you can see that the input of OR gate must be placed individual NAND gate. Then the output of this individual gate should pass through another NAND gate. Okay. But for OR gate, we don't need to place, as here it we use two NOR gate. So we don't need to use individual NOR gate. We have to use both the gates as an input line in NOR gate. Then we have to use like this way. So you have to notice the input lines of every gate. Okay. Now let us see another example. Suppose A plus B dot A bar plus B dot C. Okay. So at first we have to draw our normal logic gate. AB A complement NOT gate, BC. Acha, here also we required one C. Three input lines are there. B, C, that means B here, C here. BC AND operations. Okay, it is BC, it is A bar, and both the gate should pass OR gate. So A bar plus BC. Okay. Now let us see how we represent it using at first NAND gate. Let us see. I am writing here. Okay. Using NAND. Okay. A, B, C. NOT gate. NOT gate means we can replace this using NAND gate. That means A bar. Okay. AND gate. AND and NAND. name are same. Okay, so two NAND gate is required like this way. A, B, this A dot B. So here the input are B, C. So for the input we have to place two NAND gates, 1, 2. Okay, so BC, it is B dot C bar. Now the input of this OR gate is, one is A bar, another is BC. Okay, so one is A bar, this is one input, this is another input. So for NAND gate and NOR gate, OR gate, as the name are not same, so the design should be, whenever 3 NAND gates are used like this way, for each individual line there must be one NAND gate is placed. For 2 input line, individually one NAND gate is placed, and whenever we are going to join 3 NAND gates, then the circuit is same as joining of 3 NOR gate. Okay, so here for OR gate and NAND gate, we need, as the name are not same, OR and NAND, 3 NAND gates are required. So for each, here the input line is, one is this and another is this. Okay, so here for instead of A we are using A bar, and instead of B we are using BC, not bar, obviously BC. Okay, so as the 3 NAND gates are required, one is placed here, another is placed here, and both the two here. So this will give A bar plus BC. Okay, you can count the total number of NAND gates required. Well, for one NOT gate, one NAND is required. Then you can understand whether your diagram is correct or not. For one AND gate, as the name are same, 2 NAND gate are required. For one OR gate, 3 NANDs are required. So total how many NANDs are required to make this logic circuit? When if we represent change the basic logic gate, 3 plus 2, total 6 NAND gates are required. So you can find here that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 NAND gates are there. Okay, now if we represent it using NOR gate, one NOT gate means one NOR gate, one AND gate means 3 NOR gate, one OR gate means 2 NOR gate. Here also 6 NOR gates are required. Now let us see how to represent this using NOR gate. NOR gate representations. A, B, C. Okay, so A, B, C. For NOT gate, A means we have to place one NOT gate, A bar. For B, C, AND gate. For AND gate, one AND gate means 3 NOR gates are required. So 3 NOR gate means individually we have to place one NOR gate for each input line, then that output should passes to another NOR gate. So B and C. So individual means for B, one NOT gate, for C, one NOT gate, for this, one NOR gate. So if this is BC, its output will be BC. Clear? Now this OR gate is replaced by 2 NOR gate, and the inputs are here like this way. So this is placed like this way, one OR gate, here it is, So our NOR gate to NOR gate must be placed like this way. Okay, A, B. So here A is A bar and B is BC. Clear? So this should be placed one NOT gates and these outputs again should be placed another NOT gates. So it is A bar plus BC. Okay, like this way any logic diagram can be placed using either NAND gate or NOT gate. Okay, at first you have to draw the basic logic gate, then you have to change it one by one by following just the input line. You have to say what will be the input line. So what you will do, you just draw the 3 NOT gate and you just write the input line like this way. If here it is, I am writing here, it is A bar and for input it is B bar. So you can easily draw this diagram like this. At first you draw the diagram using AB and then change it A bar B bar C, then you can draw it easily. Okay.